Good morning everyone. Today we are going to deal about artificial respiration methods. So these artificial respiration methods are very important when the patient chest is working, that means the heart is working, but he is not taking the respiration. There is no exchange of gases. In that type of situation, the artificial respiration is very important respiration. Whether a person can give this artificial respiration if he knows, or a doctor has to give the artificial respiration to the patient. So we will see the methods which are there in this artificial respiration process. So the first method you can see, that is mouth to mouth respiration. In this mouth to mouth respiration, first of all what you have to do is you have to close the nose of the patient with your nails, and you have to give the respiration, provide the artificial respiration through your mouth with the patient's mouth. Like this the process should be continued for 3 to 4 times for the patient to recover the respiration. The next process you can see, this type of method is known as Nelson method. In this Nelson method, you or the doctor has to kneel down like this at the patient's head, and the hands should be folded. The patient's hand should be folded like that, and with your hands at the back of the patient with your fingers, you have to provide respiration like this. Like this you have to provide the respiration in Nelson's process. When you expand the hands of the patient like that, then automatically the lungs will provide exhale or inhale the air. See the process. The next method is Schaefer's method. In this method, the patient is lied down in the supine position. The patient is lied down in the supine position, and you have to be placed upon the patient. The doctor has to be placed upon the patient, and then start rubbing the back of the patient with the hands like this. When you rub the back of the patient like this at the thoracic cavity, then the respiration process will be carried out in the patient like this. So guys, these are some of the important respiratory process, some of the important artificial respiration process which has to be carried out for an emergency patient to recover the respiration.